The Pacific Coast bicycle route is easily one of the most spectacular bike tours one can wish for. From southern Canada to the Mexican border, a ride along a truly magnificent coastline. From snow-capped mountain peaks to desert landscapes, from the pine groves of the north and the tallest forest in the world to the palms of the south. And from the solitude of Washington State to the festive crowd of Southern California. It is nearly 2,000 miles long and not always hugging the coastline, is therefore more challenging than you would ever expect. Despite following the Highway 1 and the Highway 101, it is not a bike touring 101, so I wouldn't really describe it as an easy one. It is incredibly diverse and more adventurous than you might think, at least if you do like me, going through Vancouver Island and then the Olympic Peninsula. And this is the cool part. The most of the time you will camp, and you will camp in the best sequence of affordable camping in the world, in my opinion. I'm just back from this experience, and in this series of episodes, I intend to share the most important aspect and the memorable one. It doesn't matter how ambitious you are, I believe this route can be on your bucket list too. Whether you make it longer or shorter, and whether you are a roadie or a gravel type of rider. The Pacific Coast Bicycle Tour won't disappoint you. It's a ride of wonders, so let's dig into it. I'm cycling in Vancouver. I just landed, so basically I have unboxed my bicycle. I set it up. No wind, great temperature, so I have decided not to take a cab, a taxi or a train. I'm cycling directly to the bed and breakfast, to the accommodation. I'm gonna be there 2 days. So tomorrow I'll sight around, I'll do some shopping in Vancouver. Seems all quiet. I'm very happy again to be in the American continent, let's say. So I just have a massive jet lag. Day one, I left my accommodation this morning. It was around 9:30, I guess. I have crossed the city or the downtown of Vancouver, And the plan for today is going to Horseshoe Bay, catch the ferry and get to Vancouver Island. I think the town is called Nanaimo. So I'll spend a few days in Vancouver Island, cycling south. I have no idea what to expect. I guess more country roads, more gravel. If there is some gravel path, I'll follow it. Hopefully not too rough, as I don't have the tires for that. But so the overall plan is to cycle down to the Pacific bicycle trail, but I'm already starting with a detour and a visit to Vancouver Island, just for the pleasure of being a little bit more within Canada and to enjoy this new country. I'm day one, but the adventure start actually, I would say that it will start tomorrow, in terms of distance, in terms of adventure, because today it has been a urban cycling. I've crossed the city of Vancouver and then I took a ferry, so not much. But what I want to say is just also a reminder for myself. This, jet lag thing, it's making me feel very tired. It is the second or third day that I wake up extremely early, and I mean between 5 and 5:30 or 6. I try to sleep further, but I really can't. And consequently, I am very tired already by the afternoon. Say, 4 p.m., 5 p.m., I'm tired.